I'm going to elaborate on integration by parts. Now this is another very powerful tool in integration, and it is widely used while solving problems of integration. Now what is integration by parts? As I have mentioned many times before, that integration is the opposite of differentiation. This applies in by parts as well. You might be familiar with the product rule in differentiation. When two functions of a variable, say x, are multiplied, and when we go to differentiate these two functions, we get the differentiation of the first function multiplied with the second function, which is added to the first function multiplied with the differentiation of the second function. This is the product rule in differentiation. Now integration by parts is the exact opposite or the inverse of the product rule. You might be wondering how. So let me show it to you. What happens when we integrate both these sides? When we integrate this, what we get is the first function multiplied with the second function. Let's just ignore the universal constant because I'm trying to generalize a formula for integration by parts here, so I'm going to ignore the constant for now, which is equal to the integration of the differentiation of the first function multiplied with the second function dx, and which is added to the integration of the first function multiplied with the differentiation of the second function. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to subtract this from both sides. I'm going to subtract this integral from both sides of this equation. So what we get is f of x multiplied with g of x, first function multiplied with the second function, minus the integration of the differentiation of the first function multiplied with the second function. It's equal to the first function multiplied with the differentiation of the second function. Now to generalize the formula, I'm just going to switch sides in this equation to make it look better. And what we have is the integration of the first function multiplied with the differentiation of the second function is equal to the first function multiplied with the second function minus the integration of the differentiation of the first function multiplied with the second function I'm just gonna box this out. This is what happens in almost all integration by parts sums. problems, all integration by parts problems. This is exactly what happens in all of the integration by parts problems. I'm repeating myself. So that's it for this video. I'm going to demonstrate how this happens in another video. Until then, you can just try to figure out what's happening right here. Thanks for watching.